चंद्रमा चंद्रमा जटा में गंगा।
I was surprised that in a far-fetched place like Russia, we have to always take a stadium. You can't do it in this hall. You cannot manage, I think. How is it in that country it is working? Because of communism, perhaps. They were so oppressed that all the search started going inside. But just in such a short time, I was surprised. These people, how did they get it and how did they develop? And they are still developing. All of them are developing. And only I am the person allowed in Russia now to go and preach. This is also another thing. This ignorance that we have, the problems we have, physical problems, mental problems, it will all be controlled. Now there's a new disease, as you know, Alzheimer. How it comes? If a person is extremely aggressive and torturing people doing this, when he gets old, his brain deviates and only that bad stuff start working, and that person who is suffering is not aware of it. And you cannot cure it also. But in the lifetime, if you get your realization and you become absolutely peaceful within yourself, such diseases cannot touch you. They cannot disturb you. And you become a loving, beautiful person. You don't have to bother about what he earns, what the other person has got a personality, this, that, nothing. It's just a subtle love you feel for everyone. For everyone, whatever religion he may belong, whatever country he may belong, whatever problems he may have. Can you believe in a place, in a country like Turkey, Sahaja Yoga sparked like this? There are 2,000 Turkish people who are meditating, and their Prime Minister's wife came to see me just to get her realization. Now what is so great about it? They say Ataturk was their leader and it is the one who has lit the path. Why? You had such great people, William Blake and so many Shakespeare, this, that. They were all realized souls. Their poetry is not just to read, but to read between the lines what they are saying. It is very important now, I request you, at the end of this century, that once you get your realization here, please grow, become more collective. Certain funny ideas I heard and I was surprised that the hall is not all right. That's nothing to do. It's something that happens inside you, something that works inside and gives you that beautiful feeling of being the self. As a result, your health improves. You become mentally a very satisfied and a very balanced person. All your stress, this and that disappears. Thirdly, you look much younger than what you are because inside you are younger. Fourthly, you understand others. You love others. Love to do things for others. And all these stupid problems of fighting with this, taking revenge on the person, killing somebody, is all disappears. That in the name of God. All these stupid ideas which has created the global problem will disappear. The time has come. And it is the last judgment. I think the levels are changing. Those who are chosen, I should say, this path of divine love are going higher. And others who are negative are going downward. They are getting exposed. Everywhere they are getting exposed. They'll be exposed. Now it is for you to decide which way you want to move, what you want to have. I think this is the first time I am saying this to you. I've never said this way. I told you what you are so great, this, that, and this, that. But despite that, if you don't realize your value, it's wasted. So when you become the spirit, then everything changes for you. I'm surprised how people start understanding the follies of their brethren, sisters, who are forming a big society, things like that. For example, they give up drinking. When they give up drinking in France, Sahajogis were thought to be mad, because how can you do without drinking? And now, the French are taking to Sahaja very much. Imagine, French are much more than they are here. And they are saving money because they are not wasting on anything. No drugs, no smoking, no drinking. But we don't say don't do it, because otherwise half of you will go away. But it just happens to you. For example, if there is light, you can see everything clearly. Whatever is destructive, you just don't do it. But whatever is constructive, you accept and work it out. Such love and such affection. For example, these people who were singing were from all over the world. They were not only British. Especially the British, very difficult to learn Indian languages, impossible. And look at them how they are singing. And not only that, but singing Indian classical music, which is a very difficult. I didn't teach them. It's very surprising how things work out. So many artists I know who have earned world fame with Sahaja. But we have an academy, and so many foreign boys went there and studied Indian music. I was amazed. In 3 months, they were singing Malkans Raga with all elaborations. Impossible. How can they do all that? Also, there's one boy I know, he was hardly 14 years of age when he came to me. And within 1 year's time, he's a great violinist. He plays Mozart without seeing any papers, anything. How can do it? He was not like that. And he writes such beautiful poetry. Can't believe it. I asked him, when did you start? After seeing you, mother, I don't know why I'm writing. I've seen people who are scientists have become poets. Can't understand how your sleeping, or I would say dormant, qualities just come up. You don't run after success, you don't run after competition, but automatically it happens. For that you don't have to worry, I'm old, how can it happen? Nothing. At any age it can happen to you. At any time it can happen to you. So don't doubt about yourself first. Then you become a very loving, sweet person, very sensible and dignified. You don't insult others. Don't trouble others, but you help, you share the difficulties of others. Suddenly you find you have become a part and parcel of a great collective which is working in the whole world. It's very surprising how you have brothers and sisters all over the world, and wherever you go, they'll give their life for you. Have you seen such a family anywhere? Beautiful people.